On thin ice. Global warming. The Council has recently heard about melting ice in the polar regions of your world. According to a large population of scientists, there is an increase in the Earth's temperature, and this cannot be accounted for by natural processes alone. Something else is causing these temperatures to rise, and the Council is very interested to know what it is and what can be done about it. You will submit all your information to the Council through the OTAC. Your goals. Goal 1. Access the websites provided below and gather background information about global warming and its effect on Earth. Goal 2. Locate the Antarctic Research Station in Ecology World and collect an ice core sample from the drilling platform. Goal 3. Take the sample to the research station lab and analyze it. What can this core sample tell us about rising temperatures on Earth? Goal 4. Click the biome links in the research station lab and visit all 5 biomes, looking for interdependencies among plants and animals as you explore. Report on how climate change might affect those interdependencies and the ecosystem as a whole. Goal 5. Explain why global warming is happening and its negative effect on Earth. Discuss some of the ways that global warming can be combated. What can be done to protect the future of the planet? This quest requires the completion of 5 different goals and is worth 9 coals and 9 lumens. The quest takes place in the Antarctic region of Ecology World and requires students to travel through frozen tundra to get to the Antarctic Tundra Village. To complete the first goal, students will use well-known and respected websites that provide high-quality information pertaining to global warming. The Environmental Protection Agency KIDS website addresses climate change in an interactive and easy-to-learn format. The National Climatic Data Center website answers frequently asked questions about climate change and offers charts and graphs to help explain data trends. The Climate Hot Map website illustrates the local consequences of global warming across the entire world by categorizing and explaining early warning signs of climate change based on different regions of the Earth. After accessing these 3 websites, students will be able to provide background information about what global warming is and some of its effects that we are currently seeing on Earth. Goal 2 requires students to get their gloves dirty and use science and technology to collect an ice core sample from the Antarctic Research Station located in the Antarctic Tundra Village of Ecology World. Students will go through the necessary steps needed to collect a quality ice core sample from a drilling platform and record their observations. Goal 3 increases student exposure to science and some mathematical concepts by having them analyze the ice core sample in the Antarctic Research Station lab. In this activity, students gain an understanding of correlation and cause-effect connections by examining how carbon dioxide bubbles trapped in ice relates to greenhouse gases and global warming. Students will record data, graph their findings, and draw conclusions from this research. Goal 4 allows students to explore up to 5 different biomes in Ecology World as they look for interdependence among plants and animals in each environment. This will be achieved by students locating specific landmarkers within each biome that designate an area of plant and animal interdependency. Students will identify and record their observations about how climate change might affect those interdependencies and the greater ecosystem as a whole. Students will reach the 5 biomes by teleporting from the Antarctic Research Station lab, as teleport links will be clearly marked. This goal helps students to develop skills in both analyzing and synthesizing information. Goal 5 is designed to further develop a student's ability to synthesize information by pulling all the data and relevant information from research together. This goal requires students to explain why global warming is happening and its negative effects on Earth. Students will report on some of the ways that global warming can be dealt with and, most importantly, what can be done to protect the future of the planet. Although this quest is rigorous and requires a major time commitment from those willing to meet the challenge, the benefits of completing these 5 interrelated goals will serve to make those students better stewards of the Earth. This quest can only help students to better understand the climatic changes that we are currently experiencing and provide them with the mindset needed to tackle this problem in the future, as we look to this new generation to answer the call of a planet in peril.